Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to sign up for the Climate Action Project. This project has connected over 100,000 students to take action on climate change in more than 100 countries, and this is our third year. So to get signed up for the project, the first thing you need to do is go to the website. So the website is climateaction.info. You can see it up there in the address bar. And this will take you to the home page. So on the home page, there's lots of different things you can do. You can learn about the project. You can see some of the impact from past years. There are some great celebrities that have supported the project, including Dr. Jane Goodall and the Dalai Lama. But where you want to go on the home page is right here where it says Join Us. So you're going to click on that Join Us link, and this is going to bring you to a Create a New Account page. Now, if you've done the project before in past years with your classes, you're going to click on Log In instead. But for most of you that are creating an account for the first time, you're going to choose Create New Account. And in here, you're going to put your name, first and last. You're going to choose a username, and then you're going to put your email address. Okay, so I'm just going to register with a new email address I haven't used before, and then choose a password. And confirm it. Now, you're going to choose a picture, so it's pretty easy. Choose a file from your computer. So I'm going to choose a headshot here. Down below, a picture of your class if you have one. You can choose that. What continent you're on. Your country. So I'm in the United States, so I'm going to choose USA. State. So that is going to be different in other places. That might be your province if you're in Canada, or it might be called different things in different countries. Your Twitter account. I'm going to put that in. And then you may have a co-teacher that's doing this project along with you. So if you have one, go ahead and put their name in there. And then you're going to put a bio, and you want to tell a little bit about yourself. And this is a way for other teachers around the world to learn a little bit about you and what you do. So Mike is a 4th and 5th grade science teacher. Okay. You can choose a longer bio if you want, but that'll do for now. So once you've done all of that, you need to put in your school. So for me, it's the Wallenpaupack South Elementary. My Skype handle. Again, if you don't have Skype, that's okay. That's not required. Your school is. And how many students? So I'm going to be doing this project with 100 students. Actually, it's more like 75 this year. Okay. And do I know any public figure who may be willing to endorse the project? I don't have too many celebrity friends, so I'm going to leave that blank. But you may be friends with politicians or world leaders or the princess of your country. So you would put them in that box if you know anyone. Okay. And if you'd like to do more, if you want to write curriculum, if you're willing to reach out to public figures, you can add in those things, but that's not something that you have to do. Finally, you need to verify that you're not a robot. So if you're a robot listening, this project is not for you, but for all the humans that are watching this video, you're going to click on I am not a robot. Once that's all done, you're all set. So you're going to create an account, and this is going to take you to the next page where you are in. And right now you are registered. My computer wants to save the password. That's great. And now you are free to join the project. And you'll see it's going to be a project that takes 4 weeks. Now that you're registered, you're going to get information about teaching guides and different ways that you can access the project. So good luck. Your class is about to embark on a great journey where you are going to do your little piece of changing the world for the better. So we're happy to have you with us, and we'll see you soon.